Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Touareg key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It's important to have a clean, well-lit area to work in, ensuring you don't lose any small parts. This simple battery replacement process is quite straightforward and should only take you about 5 minutes from start to finish. Let's get started.
Next, let's prepare the gelatin and cream. In a small bowl, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin over 2 tablespoons of cold water and let it sit for 5 minutes to bloom. Then, gently warm the bloomed gelatin, either in a microwave for a few seconds or over a double boiler, until it's completely dissolved and clear. In a separate, chilled bowl. Now, it's time to bring everything together. First, stir the dissolved gelatin into your smooth raspberry puree until well combined. Then, very gently fold the whipped cream into the raspberry mixture in 2 additions. Use a spatula and a light hand to maintain the airy texture. Once fully combined, spoon the mousse into individual serving glasses or a large bowl. Chill the mousse in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until it's perfectly set. Your delicious raspberry mousse is now ready to enjoy. Before serving, you can add a beautiful garnish like a few fresh raspberries, a sprig of mint, or a dusting of powdered sugar. This light and refreshing dessert is perfect for any occasion, offering a burst of fruity flavor with a wonderfully smooth consistency. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life a little easier. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.